Welcome back to CreativeAid. First, we start making sponge cake. You can use packaged powder cake vanilla flavor. Then we use a mold for cold desserts to cut out the cake in the size of the mold. In the mixer, put Philadelphia cream cheese. Then add whipped cream and keep mixing. Then add Nutella spread chocolate to the mixture. Cut 2 bananas into slices. Then cut sweetened cherries. After that, add the chocolate and cream cheese mixture. Distribute it evenly. Then put it in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. Spread more Nutella chocolate. And garnish it with powdered white sugar. And this is the end result. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.